Hi friends, again welcome. So friends, in this video, I am going to discuss IAM role, and this is very important topic, right? IAM role. So here I will discuss how to communicate two different service in AWS account. Suppose that just understand definitely, so you will understand your AWS account. So in this account, two different services running, right? So here you can write AWS account, or one service is deploy here, and this is EC2 service, and this is S3 bucket. Okay. So how you can communicate both the service? So here I will use CLI, right? So how is it possible? This is your EC2 and this is your S3 bucket. So how you can communicate? I want access EC2. I will access this EC2 via CMD, and from CMD I will use, and I want see the S3 bucket, AWS S3 bucket, or I want launch the bucket. Is it possible? How you can do this? Definitely I will show you. So first you will have to know the IAM role and use case. So definitely friends, number one, IAM role is very similar like that IAM user, right? So here you create a user and assign the permission. Same things you will have to do for IAM role. And friends, IAM role does not have any credentials. Definitely, when you will create IAM role, so no need to require access key or secret key or console password. Next one, when you will use this IAM role can be assigned a particular permission who can sign, and you will have to attach this IAM role particular user. I will show you, right? And this is very important why we create the IAM role. Suppose that my client is sitting in USA and they are facing some problem related to S3 bucket. So I will create a user, IAM user, and I will attach the permission to S3 full access, and further via IAM user can switch the role and go to the enter. I will show everything. So just understand IAM role, how you can communicate to different service. So here I will use the access key and secret key, so easily you can understand, right? So let's come on the console section. So this is the role. So you want create the role, no problem. First go to the EC2 instance. I will create one EC2 instance, and I will create one S3 bucket. Then we will access. So here my running instance is working, no problem. So you can see I have a machine 2. Okay, so this is the EC2. You can copy, no problem. So one EC2 is running. The name of the instance is machine2, right? So go to the S3 bucket section and you can create S3 bucket. If any bucket is created, no problem. If not created, you can create one bucket. So I am going to create a bucket, and bucket should be unique. So I am going to create a bucket DevOps Gyan. Okay, this is the bucket 321, and you can select same reason, no problem. Copy existing bucket, no ACL you want apply. Disable, enable. Okay, right now I am going to enable, sorry, disable ACL. Further I will discuss what is ACL, and you can unblock here so anyone can access bucket. Everything I will discuss what is bucket versioning in S3 bucket topic. So right now I'm going to create bucket should be unique. So DevOps Gyan 619 S3 bucket 888. Bucket should be unique because it's a global. So I created S3 bucket and the name of the bucket is S3 bucket 888. So friends, how you can communicate both the service? Okay. So what you will do, first I will log in this EC2 instance and I will use access key and secret key, right? So go to the console section and go to your EC2 instance. Now friends, open this, copy this and key name. I'm going to access on the CMD. So easily you can understand the key name is S1 key. Okay. Go to the CMD and go CD and download SSH 2 Control V hyphen I and S1 key. Yes, sudo su. Now friends, I access my EC2 instance. Now friends, use AWS S3 LS because not working this. Why? Because you will have to install the package first of the S3 bucket. Without install this package you cannot access. But friends, when you will work on the production environment, suppose that this is your user IAM user and you will use the access key and secret key of this user. Okay, so in this lab I will use my root account. I access key or secret key for the lab purpose. You can create IAM user, you can assign the permission and further use access key and secret key, right? So after login this CMD, use the command here aws configure. So here asking the access key and secret key. So you can go to the your credential and copy your access key and secret key. Okay, so this is access key and secret key. You can create, show, use this access key, copy, or you can paste here. Then again go secret key, copy here. You want reason, skip and table. Okay, so I access. Now friends, what you will have to do, you will have to go to the Google section and you will have to find out how to install S3 bucket packages. So first you will have to install package. So how you can check with the help of which S3FS package installed or not. So here the package is not installed so far. So how you can install? So first of all friends, you have a multiples way. Go to the Google and search how to install S3 bucket package. Okay, so I am going to use Google. So definitely you will have to use Google also, right? So here I am going to search. Already I have a link I can share with you. how to mount S3 bucket. Easily you can search here, no problem, in Google. How to mount S3 bucket. Multiple option easily can search. Okay, so you can search how to mount S3 bucket. The page will be open, right? So easily can follow this link, or both the link are same. Okay. So first of all, friends, you will have to scroll down and how to mount S3 bucket on EC2 Linux instance. Every step is available here. First step, you need to update yum, right? So copy this. If you are using Ubuntu, definitely will have to use this apt-get. So I am going to copy this and go to the console and paste, copy and paste yum update all. Then use this command CentOS or Red Hat or Ubuntu or Debian. So friends, here asking install the dependencies. So you will have to copy this, copy and use paste. So this is going to resolve. So these dependencies you will have to resolve first. Yes, again. So after that, you will have to use, if you are using Debian Ubuntu, you will have to copy this. Now friends, go to the next section, clone S3FS source code from Git. So you will have to copy this command and use. So these are dependencies, friends. First you will have to resolve, then you can communicate. Okay, definitely interviewer asks how you can communicate EC2 S3 bucket. Recently asked the question. So make sure you have a step and make sure concepts are easily. I have a step how to mount S3 bucket, everything else. Now friends, now change the source code directory and compile and install the code with following commands. So you will have to follow. So use directly. I'm not going any changes because these are dependencies. Control, then you can copy again and paste. So it is going to resolve. Further copy this open dot and paste. Now again make install. Then use again make install. Done. Then you will have to use next command. Use below command to check S3FS. Now, after completed this, check via which S3FS, or directly you can write package install or not. So friends, bin S3FS, it means packages install right now. So we have done 70%. Now go to the again. Now getting access key and secret key is required, right? Access key and secret key, access key and secret key. So in this lab, friends, I will use root access key and secret key, but you can use in production environment to the normal user, right? So for the lab purpose, I am going to show you how to use. So easily you can create the file, touch and paste here. Now again use this VIM, go inside the editor and copy access key and secret key. Done. So friends, now here you will have to go to the console section. Okay. So create access key and secret key to the IAM user. So this is, so use this access key and paste here. Again use colon, and now friends you will have to copy secret key. Go paste and skip shift colon WQI. So after this friend you will have to apply the permission of the ch mode 6044 so that no one can access. You know the 6ch640 permission. If you don't know Linux, please learn Linux. How to assign permission via chmod, via ACL. Everything is from the Linux command. Okay. So I am going to assign the permission. Done. Then friends, you will have to create a directory and mount. So you can use this mkdir f3fs, or you can use this syntax. So in simple way I will show you how to mount your bucket, right? So we have installed s3fs package. Now after mounted, easily you can understand. So go to the your console section, so you can create your buckets. Already we have a bucket. Now how you can mount, create a directory, or you have already directory mnt directory, you can mount on mnt directory, right? So let's see how you, so how you can mount this. So you will have to follow this step. Okay, so now come on the console section. So here I have a directory mnt directory and I will mount. So how you can mount? So you can use this syntax s3fs your bucket name, right? So same things you will have to follow. So use s3fs and your bucket name. So we created my bucket and you can copy your bucket s3 bucket 888. Okay, so my bucket name s3 bucket and 888 bucket name. And further friends, where you want mount, so I want mount in mnt directory. If you want create new directory, so you can create and mount there. Then use hyphen o, same things you will have to copy o. Then further use the pass wd. So you cannot use this syntax. I am going to write a new syntax so you can copy this. So after o, use the pass wd shift underscore file is equals to slash your created file etc and pass wd hyphen s3fs. You can give your location. Okay, so s3fs s3 bucket bucket name mount hyphen o pass wd underscore file etc pass wd we have created so far. Okay, so now hit enter. So check df hyphen h mounted or not mounted. It is not mounted, so I have done some mistake. s3fs s3 bucket 888 mnt hyphen o pass wd underscore file is equals to etc pass wd s3fs. No problem. So you will have to go inside the vim etc s3fs. So maybe the access key and secret key problem is going to create here. So again I'm going to remove this. So again go to your console, then copy your access key, then use colon, there should be no gap. Okay, again go to the console section, copy your secret key, then paste. Now keep shift colon W5. Now again you can give the chmod 640 slash etc pass wd s3fs. Done. Now again use bucket command, mount s3f8 bucket mount. Now check df-h. So friends, it is mounted. Okay, so I have done some mistake inside the s3fs, and you will have to copy your access key and secret key. So be careful and copy. There should be no space on this, so maybe the reason. Okay, so it is mounted right now. So when you mount friends s3fs, so now you can use aws s3ls. Okay, so you can found your bucket name. Definitely you can go bucket, and you can definitely you can create more and more data. But friends, here one drawback. What is the drawback? The drawback is when you will use cat command slash etc and pass wd hyphen s3fs. So friends, easily you can find the access key and secret key. Suppose you get my access key and secret key, and you are go to your home and open terminal, use as aws config, and you put access key and secret key. Definitely you can access my account, definitely. So it is the drawback. Definitely organization will not use these kind of activities. So with the help of access key or secret key, you can communicate these service, right? With the help of access key or secret key. But here I will use IAM role, right? I will create IAM role. So access key and secret key via we can communicate both the service. But here I will use IAM role, right? So here I will create IAM role, and in this role I will attach to this. Okay, so here you will have to create role and assign s3 full access, and in this role we have to assign s3 full access and attach to this ec2 instance. No need to require this access key or secret key. Okay, without access key and secret key you can communicate. So again go to the console section. Now you can remove this rm-rf and slash etc pass wd hyphen s3fs. Remove. Now use cat slash et shift s3fs. No. Okay, so how you can communicate without access key or secret key? Go to the console section, close this, and friends, now go role section and create a role. Okay, so how you can create role? So this is the role. So I am going to create a role. Okay, so for which? So aws service, yes, aws service ec2 or lambda. So make sure you are going to create for the ec2, select, and which type of service you want give, or you can select here. Okay, you can select from here aws ec2, select, and friends, leave. Again create role. Okay, so go to the next. So we are creating for the EC2. Okay, so select EC2, go to the next. And friends, here you will have to add the permissions. So we are going to communicate S3 bucket. So easily you can search here S3 full access, and you can attach AWS EC2 full access. You can scroll down, IAM full access, AWS S3 full access, EC2, go next. Or yes, this is AWS S3 full access. You can attach, and next your role name. So I am going to write here role name is S3 FS role. Okay, you can understand. So go to the next, you can give the tag, no problem also, and create the role and create. So role is going to create. So my role name is S3 role. In this role, I assign the permission S3 full access. Okay. So after created role, let's see. Okay, so role is created S3 role. Now you can go. Okay. Now you will have to go to your EC2 instance section. Okay. So what you will do in this created role, you will have to attach to EC2 instance. Okay, when you will attach, so definitely you can communicate. Okay, so come here, EC2 instance. This is your EC2 instance, and friends, our instance name is machine2. Okay, select, go to the action, and friends, go in security and modify IAM role. So make sure you created IAM role S3 FS role, right? See, this is my role. So select the role and save. So we attach the role to this EC2 instance according to this diagram, right? So this role is attached this EC2 machine. Now friends, what you will do? Nothing, just you will have to execute some commands and go to the console section. Now use here S3 FS hyphen O IAM. So this command you can write, or I will show you on Google how you can find out. Role is equals to, and your role name, use double quotes S3 FS role, and close. Friends, your bucket name. So my bucket name is S3 bucket 888. Then where you want mount, same MNT. Okay, so hit enter. Now check df-h mounted without access key or secret key. Now you can cat slash etc your passwd hyphen s3fs. There is no access key or secret key, right friends? So without access key or secret key we mounted. So how mount? With the help of IAM role. You will have to create here IAM role. This is very important topic, right? So friends, here we communicate two different service in same AWS account in the same region, right? So next video I will show you how you can communicate two different service in different account, one account in India and one account in USA. Okay, so via switch role you can communicate. Okay, so there is no need to require access key or secret key. Okay, so make sure definitely interviewer ask the question. This is the way how to create role and communicate the services. Now you can use here AWS S3LS. You can see bucket is created. Okay, you can go cd mnt. Now create touch abc 1 dash dash 20. Done. ls file is created. When you will go to console section, go in s3fs, sorry, s3 bucket, and your bucket name is s3 bucket 888. So when you will go there, so definitely this file is also created, put in this bucket. So go this bucket and see file is created, right? So definitely you can communicate with the help of IAM rule. So friends, okay, in this video, thank you. See you in the next video with new same topic, IAM rule. Bye bye, take care, and all the best.